Hello guys and welcome to this video tutorial that will get you started in MATLAB. MATLAB is a very popular computing platform. At the heart of this platform is a high-level programming language optimized for matrix computations. Hence the name MATLAB or Matrix Laboratory. This feature makes MATLAB very appealing to scientists and engineers. MATLAB has a plethora of built-in functions that make it a simple matter to transform your ideas into actual products in no time. MATLAB graphical user interface is straightforward. In the Home tab, you'll find options to create a new script or live script or more. You can also open existing files. Here, you find the current folder that can be changed by simple browsing. The content of the folder is shown in the window below. But the most important windows are the command line window, where you input commands and get your results, and also, the workspace window where you can see your variables. MATLAB is a dynamically typed language, thus you don't need to define the type of your variables. For example, we can simply create a variable, give it an identifier and assign a value to it. If we open it in the workspace, we see that it has the type double. And it is a 1x1 matrix. If you wish not to suppress the output, just omit the semicolon. Now, let's define a row vector. To do so, just type the values of the entries between brackets and separated by spaces. The column vector can be obtained using the apostrophe sign like so. Matrices can be defined, pretty much in the same way, adding semicolons between the rows. Variables can be manipulated using the arithmetic operators such as and this is, for every matrix size. A relatively complex operation, such as matrices multiplication, is done in one line of code. The default variable, ans, holds whatever the last result is. Good to know also, the command clc, which clears the command's history from the command window, and the clear command which get rid of variables. You can clear a specified variable or clear them all. It is a good practice to issue clear all command in the beginning of your scripts to avoid any potential errors.